Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunwell Software, and in today's video we will see how to record deposits. So a deposit is a process of adding received money, cash or non-cash, into the company's bank account. So let's see the steps to add deposits. Click on Accounts module, then select Deposit Submodule. On upper right corner you will see Ellipsis. Click on it. You will see add new option to create deposits. You can also export data in Excel, CSV and PDF from these options. Just click on add new button. Then select the deposit date, period from and to period you need to select it. Then select the bank where you want to deposit. The currency will be auto selected over here. Then in check or non-cash section, you will see this ellipsis over here. Just click on it and you will see add payments option over here. Just click on it. The total by currency will be available over here. Total amounts of check you have received will be available over here. And then you have to select the check amount which you want to deposit. Just select one from the list, or you can select multiple to deposit it like this. Just select one. You can also print it using this print action given over here. Just select this check entry and click on submit button, and your entry will be available in the line item over here. After that you can delete this entry. If you don't want this, then you can delete it using this delete icon. In the next cash section, you have to select the cash location from this. Just select the cash location. You will get the cash book balance over here. And from the ellipsis, you can add multiple rows from add row option, and from cash payment, you can check your cash payments received. Okay, just add it over here. Denomination, quantity, and select the currency. Also reference, memo and notes field are there. If you have it, then just put that details in it and just click on save and close button. If you click on save only button, then the data will be saved and page will be reloaded. And on save and close button, you can save and you will be navigated on the index page, and you can quick filter your details using the filter given over here. Okay, and from the action you can view, edit, delete and print this deposit easily. After this, on the edit option, you can add your documents and check your logs against these deposits. After that, if you want to post the JV, then you have to set the status as deposited and just click on save button. Yeah, this is deposited. After updating the status of deposited, the deposit will be completed, and you can cross check the balance on cash or bank page. Just click on accounts, masters and cash or bank page. You will see we have deposited the cash in SBI bank, and it will be reflected in cash book balance as 5070. This is how you can deposit your cash. And for the next step, we have to post our JV. Just click on batch transactions. Just create one batch over here. Just select the date. Your batch is created. Then just click on actions and select add transaction. Then you will see your SBI deposit entry over here. Just select it and just click on add button. The entry will be added in the batch. Just click on actions and post this batch. Yeah, this is successfully posted, and you can check that JV on the accounts journal entries page. Just click on it. Here is the JV. Just click on it, edit it. You will see the JV is posted successfully. This is how you can add your deposits with JV. If you get any queries to add your deposits, then please connect us at contact us at the sunmoresoftware.com. See you in the next video.